So welcome back to King of the YouTube Rishi, guys. So okay guys, today I'm gonna tell you about this. So here's Saint Bernard, guys. Like he's Bruno. His name is Bruno. Bruno, tell hi. Tell hi. Alright guys, this is the cutest breed that you guys know, guys. You guys will love. Like it is so cutest breed and it's expensive too, guys. So today I'm gonna tell you about how to take care of this, guys. Like this when it be big teddy bear, guys. I'm gonna just tell you. This is at least 2 months, I think. Oh no, Bruno. Okay. So at least 2 months and go and like if you feed like some, like if you feed perikiri and like some chapati, if you feed like no, yes, but it is good, but it's a chances that they'll get not well, they'll get well, guys. They'll be not well, guys. Like they're friendly and tasty is Royal Kennel, guys. The Royal Kennel, guys. Like till puppy to big heart, guys. Till puppy to we have two, guys. I'm using puppy because he's puppy, so he just hates his food right now, guys. So you need to put Royal Kennel. Like they like that, and they no chances of. See, he's eating my watch. No, don't eat my watch. So okay, guys, you need to put food, and this taker is so tough, I know. But Saint Bernard is the cutest puppy, and guys, if you guys like this, see, it will be little bit like share of the brown, guys. It will become brown. See, it's becoming already here, brown here. Bruno, stop, Bruno. Okay, so you can see here, brought a little bit brown, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you. You can see, and see here in his ears, little bit brown is there. So this ears will be not. This all will be like it was full black and a little bit brown shade. He's here, guys. You guys can see. So little bit share bows, guys, and guys. But before this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. My channel, I'm gonna tell again, my channel name is King YouTube Rishi RC. Like here quarantine, guys, here, and here is the puppy. So like the Saint Bernard Royal Kennel, guys. Till small, you should give the Royal Kennel, guys, because Royal Kennel is the food of that they help that, and they like the food. If you give perikiri, yeah, it's good, but it's so much chances to live alive and be sick, guys. Sometimes he'll be bad, and sometimes he'll be angry. He's lovely. See, he's looking. See. So Saint Bernard puppy, like everyone love it, guys. You're all children, you guys, everyone love, guys, your channel, your Saint Bernard, guys. Please just okay. So for first thing is you should put your fan on, and like not that much fan, only 2%. You should see he's getting angry. Touch me. Put for fan, and you should just on every here. If you have AC, you should on, because this dog has so airs. Oh no! What? No. And guys, this will help your dog to be safe, guys. Bruno, come here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell how to eat and how to for the Saint Bernard, guys. For this video, only this much. Make sure to see in the next video, bro.